Hi guys, Gina here and Scarlett. You want to say hi, Scar?
Hi.
So we are going to pop into our local CVS to share with you guys the deal starting the 3rd of November. So I have bribed this little girl with a vanilla shake. Hopefully she's good for us. What do you think? You gonna be good? You gonna be good? All right, so let's head into CVS. All right, you guys, so a really good deal we have going on is Neutrogena. So Neutrogena skincare is buy one, get one 50%. So I want to share with you guys some things that I have personally tried. So the first thing I have been using is the Hydro Boost City Shield Water Gel Sunscreen. So I even use this on Scarlett, and the gel sunscreen is the easiest thing to apply if you have little kids, because otherwise the really thick sunscreen is just impossible to try to get on them. So if you have a kiddo about Scarlett's age, this is a really good item to pick up. Something else I have tried is the Hydro Boost Gentle Cleansing Lotion. I really like that. And the makeup wipes are really nice as well. So they are buy one, get one 50%. And then we have a CRT for 5 off 22 of facial care cleansers and moisturizers. So if you have the CRT, you definitely could pair it here for a good deal. All right, you guys, so Almonds Cosmetics is on a spend 12, get $4 back in extra care bucks. Unfortunately, those insert coupons expire on the 2nd, so it's not valid on the 3rd. From what I know, early activation is no longer a thing, but I'm gonna pop in here on Saturday to see if early activation is still going on, just to see. And then we're supposed to be getting a mystery coupon from the Red Machine. So usually it's like a 4 off or a 5 off. And then if you have a 3 up 12 CRT for cosmetics, you can pair the 3 off 12 with like a 5 off 1 Almonds. So that can make for a really good deal. And I have a review video on the Almonds Lip Vibes as well as the cream eyeshadow. So I will have those linked below if you guys want to take a look at that review video. The Paparazzi nail brand, they are buy 2 and get a $4 extra care buck. And they have some fun glitter nail polishes. Look at these. They are peel off, so they would be perfect for kiddos. So they are priced for $6.99. And then they have some other products right here. So they have a matte top coat. They also have an avocado oil for your nails. It's like a nail treatment. And then they also have a like iridescent top coat and a glow in the dark top coat. So this is new to my CVS. I haven't seen these before. So they are $6.99. So they are not the 2 for $5, but this is really fun. So I actually think I want to pick up the iridescent top coat because that sounds super fun. What do you think, Scarlett? What color do you like of these?
The pink.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. So Scarlett likes this color right here. All right, you guys, so Physicians Formula is on a buy 2, get $8 back in extra care bucks. So you probably can do the Physicians Formula Coconut Eye Makeup Remover. My store doesn't have any, but you can also get a rain check. So if you find a missing item that you are interested in doing, just ask for a rain check. But I really do like the Physicians Formula Lippies. So they are priced for $9.99. So you could buy 2 of them for $19.98. You can use a 3 up 12 CRT for cosmetics. So now you're down to $16.98. Then you get a $10 extra care buck back, making them $6.98 for the both of them, or roughly $3.49 each. So that's a great deal. Just look at the starting cost. We have $9.99 starting, and then you can get it down to $3.49. You can also try out the Physicians Formula Butter Lippies as well. All right, so Rimmel Cosmetics are on a spend 12, get $8 back in extra care bucks. So I will highlight the Lippies. It's the Extreme Lasting Finish Extreme Lip Colors. So they're priced for $6.99 each. So you could buy 2 of them for $13.98. Use a 3 up 12 CRT for cosmetics. So it drops it down to $10.98. And then we're gonna get the $8 extra care buck back, making them $2.98 or $1.49 each. All right, you guys, so we have another repeat deal on vitamins. So the CVS Brand Vitamins are buy 1, get 1 free. And also included is the Naturemade vitamins as well. So we currently have some printable coupons on coupons.com for the Naturemade. We also have Ibotta rebates as well. So here's a really easy deal you can do. So the Naturemade adult gummies, they are priced for $19.49. You can buy 2 of them for $19.49. Use a $1 printable coupon. Then you're down to $18.49. Use a 4 off 18 CRT. So now we're down to $14.49 for 2 of them. So I think that's a great deal, especially if you have a CRT to pair up. So it says on any, it doesn't have to be the CVS brand. So I think that's a great deal. Great deal on Eucerin this week, this upcoming week. So it is buy 20, get $10 back in extra care bags, which I think is a great deal. So we have a lot of things we can pick and choose from. We currently use this in our house. It is the Eucerin Daily Protection Lotion. So it's $11.49. You could buy 2 of those, use a CRT for lotion, which would make for a really good deal. Also, the original healing lotion is great as well, especially if you have dry skin. So they are priced for $12.49. And it would not be a Eucerin deal without some coupons to give to you guys. So my pediatrician is amazing and she always gives me tons of these coupons. So I have a whole entire tear pad of coupons. So this is a 2 off 1 Eucerin or Aquaphor baby product. So the Eucerin deal is buy 20 get 10, even in the baby section as well. So if you would like to be entered to win some of these coupons, I'm just going to go ahead and give away as many as I have on this tear pad. So just comment Eucerin baby coupons to be entered to win some Eucerin coupons, and I just give them away until I run out. So good luck to everyone on the Eucerin coupons. All right, you guys, so CeraVe is also on a buy 1 get 1 40%. So you buy 1 get 1 40%. We have some insert coupons for CeraVe you could pair here. If you do the facial care, you can use a 5 off 22 facial care CRT. And then I'll have a link below to the insert that the CeraVe products came in. CeraVe is a great line. This is also a new item here. It's the Renewing SA Cleanser, so salicylic acid cleanser with ceramides, as well as the lotion. So I know Dr. Dre speaks really highly of CeraVe products. So this could be a nice pairing as well for you guys. And then for those who don't have any coupons for CeraVe, I have a ton of hang tag coupons for you guys. So one of you guys sent me a bunch of hang tag coupons, so I'm gonna give them away to you guys. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 coupons. So if you want the CeraVe coupons, comment CeraVe coupons. All right, you guys, we have a nice deal on Shea Moisture this week. So Shea Moisture hair care as well as body wash. They are spend 20, get $10 back in extra care back. So they are priced for $11.49. We're getting $1 off 1 coupons coming in this week's inserts. So what you could do is buy 2 of them for $22.98. Use 2 of those $1 off 1 coupons. And then if you have a 2 off 6 CRT or a 2 off 8 CRT for body wash, pair it here. And then you will pay $18.98, get a $10 extra care back, making them $4.49 each. So we started at $11.49 and now we're down to $4.49. Okay, so another scenario you could do is on the Shea Moisture shampoo and conditioner. So they are priced for $11.99. So you could buy 2 of them for $23.98. If you have a 3 off 12 CRT for hair care, pair it here. So now you're down to $20.98. You get a $10 extra care buck back. So it makes them $5.49 each. All right, you guys, so this deal rolls around at CVS maybe like 2 to 3 times a year. So St. Ives and Caress body washes, they are on a spend 15, get 10. So what you can do is buy 3 of them. They're priced for $5.79. So buy 3 of them for $17.39. We're getting 2 off 1 coupons coming in the Retail Me Not, but usually it's a limit of 2 like coupons. So I'm only factoring 2 coupons in this breakdown. So use 2 of those $1 off 1 coupons. And then use a 2 off 6 CRT for body wash or a 2 off 8. So now you're down to $13.37. You get a $10 extra care buck back, making them $3.37 or $1.12 each. And then check Saving Star or Checkout 51, because usually when this deal rolls around, you can submit to Checkout 51. That's usually what we've been seeing in the past. You could also combine the deal with the Caress body wash, because we're getting $1 off 1 coupons as well. So you could buy 2 of the St. Ives, buy 1 of the Caress, and then use $3 off 1 coupons, if that makes sense. All right, you guys, so these Swab Professional Hair Care, these guys are priced 2 for $6. And then you're gonna get a $2 extra care buck back when you buy 2, so it drops it down to 2 for $4. You could submit to bonus points on Fetch Rewards. So let me share with you guys what it is. So it is a 750 point booster. with Suave, but it's on the Suave Kids. So it's on the Suave Kids products. So typically CVS will run the kids products in the promo too. So what you do is you just make sure you purchase the qualifying item and submit your receipt to fetch rewards, get bonus points, which earns you gift cards, especially at CVS. So you can submit your points. I'm going to show you how easy it is. So I'm going to go into my rewards. Go into my rewards. I have 4,000 points, so I want to use points.
4,000?
And then you can submit for $5 or $10 over at CVS. I just want to share with you guys how stinking easy it is. So $5 reward right here to CVS. So you can flip those points, turn it into a CVS gift card. So if you're not signed up for Fetch, I have a link below, like I always do, for you guys to sign up and earn a free 2,000 points with your first receipt redemption. All right, you guys, so NYX Cosmetics this week is on a spend 20, get $10 back in extra care bucks. So something that I recently tried out and tested with you guys is the NYX Dark Circle Concealer. So if you've at all been interested in this product, I'm gonna go ahead and leave that video linked below so you guys can take a look of the testing of it to see how it works. And then you could pair a CRT, 3 of 12 CRT here for NYX Cosmetics. All right, you guys, so we have another deal on some Hallmark cards. Unfortunately, that printable coupon is not going to be valid anymore come Sunday, that 3 off 3 CVS coupon. Oh my gosh. Can you get the balloon, Scar? Trying to get the balloon. Okay, so what you can do is buy 3 cards for $6, and then you're gonna get a $3 extra care buck back, making them $1 a card. So if you don't have a Dollar Tree around you, $1 a card is a great deal, you guys. All right, you guys, so the Progresso can suits here at CVS are 3 for $4 or just $1.33 each. So that's a great deal, and this definitely beats the Target and Walmart price. So anytime we can beat Target and Walmart at CVS, I say take advantage. All right, you guys, we have a nice deal on the Quaker Oats oatmeal. So they are on sale for $2.99, and we still have $1 off 2 coupons from the 1013 Smart Source. So you can buy 2 of them for $5.98, use that $1 off coupon. So it makes them just $2.49 each, and the starting cost is $2.49. So if you have some extra care bucks to roll into some grocery items, this is a great deal. Submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards and you will earn bonus points for Quaker products. All right, you guys, so we have Cheerios on a sale again for 99 cents, and we have $1 off 3 printable coupons on coupons.com. So you could buy 3 of them for $5.97. Use that $1 coupon, so it drops them down to $1.65 a box, which is pretty good. There's some other Cheerio and General Mills coupons as well. So I'll leave some inserts below for some more General Mills matchups. All right, you guys, so we have a cash card deal back again. So this is awesome. We're gonna be seeing cash card deals all throughout the holiday season. That's typically when they tend to do their cash card deals. So it's spend 30, get $10 back in various items. So the grocery matchups are great. We also have Aveeno. We have some P&G products as well. Natalie from Clean Cut Couponing, she tends to do a lot of breakdowns. Like she'll do like various blog post breakdowns. So if you wanna check her site out for some more detailed breakdowns, definitely go and check out either her channel or go check out her blog. I like the grocery deal matchups because you know, I eat a lot of almonds, we drink a lot of coffee, so I really like the grocery matchups as well as some of the Aveeno. But what's great about the cash card deal is when you get the CVS cash card, it is a gift card that they give to you. So you can buy milk with that, you can buy dairy with that. With the extra care bucks, that excludes the dairy. And I think you can even buy like wine and alcohol with the CVS cash cards. So you can't do that with the CVS extra care bucks. So when it comes Sunday, if there's an issue at your register with the cash card, make sure at the very least, if the cash card isn't like ringing up or whatever, don't settle for the extra care buck. Make sure you get a cash card, and you can just get a CVS gift card in lieu of a CVS cash card. So one really good deal is on the Blue Diamond almonds. So these guys are on sale for $5.99, and we still have $1 off 1 coupons that came in our 10/6 Smart Source. So I think that is a fantastic deal, a part of the cash card deal. You guys, so another good grocery deal with this cash card deal is on the Dunkin Donuts coffee. So these guys are on sale for $5.99, and we have $1 printable coupons. They're no longer available available, but if you still have that coupon laying around, definitely snag this as part of the spend 30 get 10. All right, you guys, so also included in the cash card deal is a vino, and if you guys still have those 3F1 CRTs that printed, you could pair this with one of those high value printable coupons we've been getting from Aveeno. We also got facial care coupons as well, so this could make for a really good deal. All right, so we have a really nice gift card promo. So this is on the Fandango as well as the AMC and the Regal. So when you spend $50, you're going to get a $10 extra care buck. So it's like you're paying $40 for a $50 gift card. So this is great and a great way for you to build your CRTs for Black Friday shopping here at CVS. Thank you guys so much for watching today's CVS in-store video. So make sure you comment below if you want those Eastern coupons or those CeraVe coupons. So we hope you guys have a fantastic day, and we will talk to you guys all later. Bye, guys.